Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to select a whole paragraph and edit it. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and I'll select this whole paragraph for editing. First click on this home option, this menu bar, and select here edit option. Now click on this text, double click on this and see this only single line showing here. Select format option and here you will find this select lines only, this one selected. I'll select this, select whole paragraphs and again click on here and see this. I'll escape this editing and again click on this edit option and select here and see this whole paragraph. Now again select and edit it and format option. See this whole paragraph. Now you can select and edit it and change it and see this. Yeah, in this way you can select whole paragraph and edit it and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.